I am a Muslim, Islam ID, Allah my Lord, His word Quran, Muhammad Prophet, praise be upon, I'm a Muslim for all of time. I am a Muslim.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Mohamed Azhar from UniverCellSoft. Today I'm going to show you the Huawei mobile Wi-Fi 2. The model number is CUN U29, which is locked by FRP. Here this device was previously reset and the customer don't know the password and email address. He forgot something. Therefore today I'm going to show you how to bypass this. And here in this option you have to connect your Wi-Fi first. Here you can find out my Wi-Fi is connected. Okay, now go back. From here, from this situation you have to press volume down and the power button together. To take any screenshot, hold it. Sorry. Okay, in this option press edit. I will show you again. You have to long press volume down and the power button together. It will take any screenshot. Here is the option. Okay, as soon as you have to press the edit button and then you have to press the share button, which is over here. You have to press this one. But before, I forgot to tell something. Before you do this process, just insert a SIM card also, at least one SIM card, and then you have to, after the share button, you have to press messaging. Okay, here it is, and type the number something, and here just type and send it. Here it is sent, the link. Now just press the link and open URL. It will open. Okay, press accept. No thanks. From here I have given the link in the description. You can follow it, which I have shared in my shared website. I have provided the files, and here you have to download Google Account Manager. Download it. Once it's downloaded, you have to open and install it. Okay, it's downloaded. I have downloaded the Google Account Manager 5.1. In some case it will not work. You have to download as per your OS system. Someone using OS 6 point something. Okay, press done, cancel, and go back and download Quick Shortcut Maker 2.4.0. Press this. and okay. It's downloading. Okay, it's downloaded. Just open it and install it. Okay, done. Now you have to open it. It will open. In here you can find out Google. Sorry. Here it is, Google Account Manager. Press this and you will find, here it is, the second one. Type email and password. Press try. In this three dot you have to press this, browser sign in. Press OK. I'll type mine, you have to type yours. Okay, here it is. I will hide this one is for my the security reason. I will type the password. Okay, here it is. I type. I have to wait until the Google code to be received. So this G478863. Okay, now you have to restart your mobile and the process will be done. Reload, ah? ठीक है ना? Number sama ada? No, number 7 3639 508 எவ்வளோ?
50 இது 1000 mAh வந்து எவ்வளோ?
345 3639 508. Sorry guys, my customer reached my shop and here now you have to set up. Next and skip, agree. Look and find out here. Congratulations, configuration successful. After the restart, every process going smoothly. Now you can go and search your account. Here it is, and I will remove mine from here. Here it is, otherwise it will pop up every time. Remove. Okay, done. Now press simply backup and factory data reset. Okay, thank you guys. If it's helped, please like and subscribe, and especially I'm requesting every time, please make dua, and God bless you. Fi amanillah. Jazakallah khair.
His word Quran, Muhammad Prophet, praise be upon, and a Muslim.